Maui, what are you doing there? Maui, you're waiting for your sister to finish the food? Or you're waiting to attack? Do not do that. You finished your treat already. No, don't attempt. She will get mad at you. Hey, what? Huh?